bodysuit, my baggy jeans, a scarf, and some sandals. They wanted a light makeup, so I'm trying to go as light as I can and slick back hair. But feeling good. I'm just waiting for my friend and then we're gonna get going. I will check back in once we are in the car. I need to get an iced coffee, so Kaisha, you need to hurry the f. Just running quite late. Not gonna name names for what. Can you put that in? Can you still be able to do it? Oh fuck. Alright, we're heading now.
Over here for you.
Hi, could I please get a deluxe caramel latte?
Yeah, what size?
Large, please.
Anything else?
And
A large vanilla latte.
a large vanilla latte. Full cream, no sugars.
Everything correct on the screen?
Yes, thanks. Thank you.
It was last year.
Thank you. Oh my god, how do
Wait, can you tell them to put vanilla in that? Because that's got no vanilla. That's so strong as fuck.
Sorry, could you please put another shot of vanilla in that?
That is.
Heading for somewhere to go. Anywhere since.
We're 10 minutes away. I'm going to try and film as much as I can, but I don't know how much I'll be able to film. We are like almost half an hour late, but he knows and he's fine with it. But yeah, I will try and film as much as I can, but I don't know how much I will be able to film. So we're just going there now. We're like 35 minutes late, but he's pretty chill about it, which is good. But yeah, as I said, I'm going to try and film as much as I can. I don't know how much I'm going to be able to film, but I'll try and get some behind the scenes. But yeah, I'll check in soon. But yeah. It's got like those things on it.
But I don't even know what I'm wearing.
So we're now finished the shoot and we're just going to be taking our own photos and content. So I've already got photos in this outfit, so I'm going to switch into another outfit. I think we're going to go to the boathouse first, boat shed, for Kaij to get some photos in her outfit, and then there's a museum as well as the beach that I think we're going to get some photos in, so let's do that. Could you just delete it? I don't want myself to be okay.
So if you want to watch out,